Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to change username on X. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to x.com, and after you log into your account you're gonna have to simply click on more, then simply go to settings and privacy. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to account information, and then here you're gonna have to simply enter your password and then simply confirm. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on username, and then here basically you can enter your new username. As you can see, you can even use these suggestions, and after you enter the new username, make sure to click on save, and basically that's all you have to do in order to change your username. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.